In the 9-degree lab, we learned some important lab safety rules and how to operate some measuring equipment. These safety rules will be useful in the future when we are using potentially dangerous tools, such as saws or drills. It is especially important to wear ear and eye protection. We use V2 equals gt squared to calculate velocity, altitude equals distance in the y equals 0.5 gt2 squared to calculate the altitude, GPE equals K equals mg delta H equals 0.5 mv2 squared to calculate the energy, T on the shaft equals D on the shaft over V on the shaft to find time on the shaft, and acceleration on the shaft equals V2 minus V1 over time on the shaft to calculate acceleration off the shaft. Our results next time will be perfected by taking more precise measurements and by ensuring the rocket launcher fires at exactly 90 degrees. Each person in our group had a job during this part of the lab. Lenny measured and took notes while I filmed the rockets and edited the videos. Andrew filled the rockets with water and helped Lenny with measurements. Isaac and Sean worked together on most of the math. Our group enjoyed the lab. Getting outside the classroom with our lab group was a good experience and definitely more engaging than staying in the class would have been. Other classes would have a worksheet about firing rockets while we actually do rocket science and put it to the test. This lab should be kept for next year because it teaches students that physics is applicable in real-world scenarios. It also reinforces the formulas that we learned in classes very effectively and helps us develop our group work skills. We've done very few group projects in high school that have been this intensive. Boom, done.